In this video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit Australian dollars AUD on Kraken easily. If you're an Aussie trader, this will help you fund your Kraken account fast. Let's get started. First, go to kraken.com and sign into your account using your email and password. Always double check you're on the official Kraken site for safety. Next, in the Home section, click Deposit to see all your deposit options. This is where you choose which currency to add to your account. Then choose Cash in the options to display all available fiat currencies you can deposit. This includes Australian dollars for Australian users. Click Australian dollar from the list of currencies. Kraken supports AUD deposits through its partner Etana. Select Etana as the network. This is currently the only available method for AUD deposits. It's safe and reliable for Australian customers. Click Go to Etana, then sign into your Etana account to confirm the deposit. Follow the instructions to complete your transfer and wait for the funds to show up in Kraken. And that's how you deposit Australian dollars on Kraken. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick crypto tips. See you next time!